Hey, tech wizards! Welcome back to Techtale by Tisha, where we turn tech into tales. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of generative AI and predictive AI. These two types of artificial intelligence are shaping the world in amazing ways. But how are they different? And where do we see them in action? Let's break it down with some cool examples. Blast off. Let's start with predictive AI. Imagine you're planning a picnic, and your weather app tells you there's an 80% chance of rain. That's predictive AI in action. Google Maps, predicting traffic jams. Netflix, recommending shows you'll love. Healthcare apps, predicting potential illnesses based on your symptoms. Now, let's talk about generative AI. This one's a creator. Unlike predictive AI, which analyzes data, generative AI produces something new. It's like giving an AI a blank canvas and watching it create magic. Generative AI can write poems, essays, or even code. Create realistic images or art. Generate music, build virtual worlds for video games. So, there you have it. Predictive AI predicts and generative AI creates. Both are powerful tools, shaping industries from healthcare to entertainment and beyond. And if you enjoyed this tech tale, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.